What is the term for a score of 1 under par in golf? Option is A. Birdie, B. Eagle, C. Bogey, D. Albatross. Answer is option A. Birdie.
Which sport uses the term try to denote scoring points? Option is A. Rugby, B. Cricket, C. Hockey, D. Table tennis. Answer is option A. Rugby.
What is the diameter of a standard basketball in inches? Option is A. 28, B. 29.5, C. 30, D. 32. Answer is option B. 29.5.
Who won the FIFA World Cup in 2018? Option is A. Brazil, B. France, C. Germany, D. Argentina. Answer is option B. France.
In which sport would you perform a slam dunk? Option is A. Basketball, B. Tennis, C. Soccer, D. Rugby. Answer is option A. Basketball.
Which country won the most medals in the 2016 Summer Olympics? Option is A. USA, B. China, C. Russia, D. Great Britain. Answer is option A. USA.
Who holds the record for the most Grand Slam singles titles in tennis? Option is A. Roger Federer, B. Rafael Nadal, C. Novak Djokovic, D. Serena Williams. Answer is option A. Roger Federer.
What is the maximum score a gymnast can achieve in artistic gymnastics? Option is A. 10, B. 9.9, C. 20, D. 100. Answer is option A. 10.
Which team has won the most NBA championships? Option is A. Los Angeles Lakers, B. Chicago Bulls, C. Boston Celtics, D. Golden State Warriors. Answer is option A. Los Angeles Lakers.
What is the diameter of a basketball hoop in inches? Option is A. 16, B. 18, C. 20, D. 22. Answer is option B. 18.
Who is the only athlete to win Olympic gold in both the 100 meters and 200 meters races? Option is A. Usain Bolt, B. Carl Lewis, C. Jesse Owens, D. Michael Johnson. Answer is option A. Usain Bolt.
In which year did golf become an Olympic sport again after over a century? Option is A. 2012, B. 2020, C. 2016, D. 2024. Answer is option C. 2016.
Which country is famous for its national rugby team known as the All Blacks? Option is A. Australia, B. England, C. South Africa, D. New Zealand. Answer is option D. New Zealand.
How many players are there in a baseball team? Option is A. 8, B. 9, C. 10, D. 11. Answer is option B, 9.
What is the name of the trophy awarded to the winner of the Wimbledon Men's Singles Championship? Option is A. Davis Cup, B. Ryder Cup, C. Claret Jug, D. Gentleman's Singles Trophy. Answer is option D. Gentleman's Singles Trophy.
Which country won the inaugural ICC Men's T20 Cricket World Cup in 2007? Option is A. India, B. Australia, C. Sri Lanka, D. Pakistan. Answer is option D, Pakistan.
What is the diameter of a standard discus used in men's track and field competitions? Option is A. 16 centimeters, B. 18 centimeters, C. 20 centimeters, D. 22 centimeters. Answer is option B. 18 centimeters.
Who holds the record for the fastest 100-meter dash in history? Option is A. Usain Bolt, B. Tyson Gay, C. Johan Blake, D. Justin Gatlin. Answer is option A. Usain Bolt.
What is the term used for a perfect score in bowling? Option is A. Strike, B. Spare, C. Turkey, D. Perfect game. Answer is option D. Perfect game.
Which country hosted the 2014 FIFA World Cup? Option is A. Germany, B. Brazil, C. South Africa, D. Russia. Answer is option B, Brazil.
Who is the only athlete to win gold medals in both the Winter and Summer Olympics in different sports? Option is A. Usain Bolt, B. Michael Phelps, C. Eddie Egan, D. Carl Lewis. Answer is option C. Eddie Egan.
What is the maximum number of clubs a golfer is allowed to carry in their bag during a round of golf? Option is A. 10, B. 12, C. 14, D. 16. Answer is option C, 14.
Which of the following is not an event in gymnastics? Option is A. Parallel bars, B. Vault, C. Flow exercise, D. Breaststroke. Sorry, we don't know the answer. If you know the answer, then comment the answer in comment box.
Who holds the record for the most goals scored in a single NHL season? Option is A. Wayne Gretzky, B. Mario Lemieux, C. Jaromir Jagr, D. Alex Ovechkin. Answer is option A, Wayne Gretzky.
What is the name of the famous horse race held annually in Kentucky, USA? Option is A. Belmont Stakes, B. Preakness Stakes, C. Kentucky Derby, D. Breeders' Cup. Answer is option B, Preakness Stakes.
Which city hosted the 2016 Summer Olympics? Option is A. London, B. Rio de Janeiro, C. Tokyo, D. Beijing. Answer is option B, Rio de Janeiro.
Who is the all-time leading scorer in NBA history? Option is A. Michael Jordan, B. LeBron James, C. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, D. Kobe Bryant. Answer is option C, Kareem Abdul-Jabbar.
Who holds the record for the most Olympic gold medals in swimming? Option is A. Michael Phelps, B. Mark Spitz, C. Ian Thorpe, D. Katie Ledecky. Answer is option A. Michael Phelps.
In which country did the sport of volleyball originate? Option is A. Brazil, B. United States, C. Russia, D. Italy. Answer is option B, United States.
What is the regulation height of a basketball hoop in feet? Option is A. 8, B. 9, C. 10, D. 11. Answer is option C, 10.
Who was the first African American to play in Major League Baseball? Option is A. Satchel Paige, B. Hank Aaron, C. Jackie Robinson, D. Willie Mays. Answer is option C, Jackie Robinson.
Which country won the first Cricket World Cup in 1975? Option is A. Australia, B. West Indies, C. England, D. India. Answer is option C, England.
Which of the following is not a recognized Grand Slam tennis tournament? Option is A. Australian Open, B. Wimbledon, C. US Open, D. Davis Cup. Answer is option D, Davis Cup.
How many players are there on a standard ice hockey team? Option is A. 5, B. 6, C. 7, D. 8. Answer is option B, 6.
What is the term for a score of 1 over par in golf? Option is A. Birdie, B. Bogey, C. Eagle, D. Albatross. Answer is option B, Bogey.
Who won the 2019 Women's FIFA World Cup? Option is A. Germany, B. USA, C. France, D. Sweden. Answer is option B, USA.
Which boxer was known as the greatest? Option is A. Floyd Mayweather, B. Mike Tyson, C. Muhammad Ali, D. Sugar Ray Leonard. Answer is option C, Muhammad Ali.
What is the name of the annual Formula One race held in Monaco? Option is A. Monaco Grand Prix, B. French Grand Prix, C. Italian Grand Prix, D. British Grand Prix. Answer is option A. Monaco Grand Prix.
How many periods are there in a standard game of ice hockey? Option is A. 2, B. 3, C. 4, D. 5. Answer is option B, 3.
Who is the only athlete to win the Heisman Trophy twice? Option is A. Archie Griffin, B. Tim Tebow, C. Herschel Walker, D. Eddie George. Answer is option A. Archie Griffin.
What is the term for a race in which each participant covers the same distance separately, with the fastest time determining the winner? Option is A. Sprint, B. Marathon, C. Time trial, D. Relay. Answer is option C, time trial.
Which country is the birthplace of cricket? Option is A. India, B. Australia, C. England, D. South Africa. Answer is option C, England.
Who holds the record for the most consecutive wins in Formula 1? Option is A. Lewis Hamilton, B. Michael Schumacher, C. Ayrton Senna, D. Sebastian Vettel. Answer is option B, Michael Schumacher.
What is the term for a score of one stroke under par in golf? Option is A. Eagle, B. Birdie, C. Bogey, D. Albatross. Answer is option B, Birdie.
In which city did the first modern Olympics take place in 1896? Option is A. London, B. Paris, C. Athens, D. Rome. Answer is option C, Athens.
Who is the only player to win NBA MVP, Coach of the Year, and Executive of the Year? Option is A. Michael Jordan, B. Larry Bird, C. Bill Russell, D. Magic Johnson. Answer is option A, Michael Jordan.
What is the term for the position played by the quarterback in American football? Option is A. Striker, B. Quarterback, C. Point guard, D. Fullback. Answer is option B, quarterback.
Which country has won the most Rugby World Cups? Option is A. Australia, B. New Zealand, C. South Africa, D. England. Answer is option B, New Zealand.
Who holds the record for the most home runs in a single MLB season? Option is A. Barry Bonds, B. Babe Ruth, C. Hank Aaron, D. Mark McGwire. Answer is option A, Barry Bonds.
In which year did the first modern Olympic Games take place? Option is A. 1876, B. 1896, C. 1906, D. 1926. Answer is option B, 1896.